designed and constructed in adherence with the U.S. Green Building Council's LEED criteria. Let's continue inside. Upon entering the reception area, you'll see the numerous UTC fire and security systems that secure and protect the facility. You can further explore UTC Fire and Security's comprehensive product and service portfolio through a series of engaging displays. Next stop, the control room. All live fire tests are carefully monitored here, ensuring that personnel, the environment, and the facility are well protected. This, however, isn't the only place to watch a fire test. In Roman mythology, Vulcan was the god of fire and the forge, so it's fitting that our observation room is named after him. From this comfortable room, you can witness an exciting live fire test in total safety. Now, let's see the cold discharge room. In addition to spray pattern testing, here you can experience the reduced water use and cooling effect of the Marioff high fog system. As they say, seeing is believing.
Patented controlled flow technology, making the Argonite C60 system a sound investment to safeguard your assets today and well into the future. Argonite C60 technology makes dramatic savings possible in overall system costs while continuing to meet the stringent demands of environmental and fire safety regulations. Argonite is a 50-50 blend of argon and nitrogen gases, both of which occur naturally in the atmosphere. Is a truly clean agent with impeccable environmental credentials, including a zero ozone depletion potential and a zero global warming potential. Extinguishes fires in enclosed spaces. It relies on a unique controlled flow technology valve and nozzles that cover exceptionally wide areas. Argonite is a non-corrosive, non-conducting gas that does not produce any byproducts when exposed to high flame temperatures. It is a safe and secure fire extinguishing solution, applicable for use in all manned areas. The installation of the Argonite C60 system is surprisingly easy. The KIDA team have listened, and the Argonite C60 flow control technology make possible a dramatic 60% reduction in peak mass flow. And that means a substantially reduced pressure impulse or a much lower vent area demand in the protected space. A 20% reduction in installation time is achieved by the front-mounted pneumatic actuators, which can be fitted without the system will be configured to deliver an accurate and timely indication of a fire condition. Following the initial alarm and a preset delay, a final alarm is given and the control panel energizes the solenoid on the Argonite C60 release unit. Cylinder pressure is then directed along the actuation lines connected to the C60 cylinder valves. The Argonite C60 flow control sequence allows homogeneous distribution of Argonite gas into the enclosure. This controlled flow discharge has both reduced noise and reduced pressure impulse impact, which could otherwise affect sensitive electromechanical equipment. The fire is suppressed rapidly, limiting the fire damage. The resulting oxygen concentration in the air is rapidly reduced from the normal 21% level to below the 15% level needed to
The heart of an organization beats not in an office, but here, in the data center. Thousands of servers processing vital information for all your accounts, storing all your essential business data. These servers are designed for punishing 24/7 operations, and they demand the most robust fire protection solution of a fire. Then extinguish it in seconds by discharging a clean suppression agent. That's safer for humans and the environment, without the water damage caused by sprinklers. To demonstrate the difference, we've replicated a data center in this fire testing facility. Typically, A data center fire would start inside one of these server cabinets. This type of enclosed fire is tough to extinguish using sprinklers alone, but it's an ideal situation for clean agent fire suppression systems. The room is equipped with Kidde air sampling and spot smoke sensors, plus the clean agent fire suppression system and 9 water sprinklers. When everything is ready, the clean agent test is run first. Engineers ignite sheets of ABS plastic in an empty server cabinet. The air sampling and spot smoke sensors alert the system. And then, discharge. The Novec 1230 suppression agent floods the room and penetrates the burning enclosure where it extinguishes the fire in less than 20 seconds.
So how does the Desde detection system operate? Here's an overview. Desde is an active system, continuously drawing air through multiple sampling holes along a network of pipes. These pipes transport the air to a central, highly sensitive detector. Prior to entering the chamber, the air sample passes by a flow sensor through the aspirator and a dual-stage filter. During the first stage of filtration, dust and dirt are removed from the air. A portion of the sampled air goes through the second ultrafine filtration stage and introduces clean air that forms a protective barrier, keeping the optical components within the chamber free from contamination. The sample proceeds into the chamber where it is exposed to a controlled laser light source. Even extremely low levels of smoke particles present in the air sample will cause the laser light to scatter. This light scatter is instantly detected by a unique configuration of light receiver circuitry, optimized for a wide range of smoke types. The resulting signal is immediately processed and presented via a bar graph display, alarm threshold outputs, and/or graphic display. The Desde system has 4 smoke alarm threshold levels: Alert, Action, Fire 1, and Fire 2. The sensitivity for each alarm level can be automatically programmed or manually set to a suitable level to fit the condition of the site and to minimize unwanted nuisance alarms.
Scalability, and efficiency. Connected through a high-speed network. Our major data centers house tens of thousands of high-performance processing and storage servers in high-density racks. Chillers and air handling equipment ensure precise control over environmental conditions. Uninterruptible power supplies, or UPS systems, and vast banks of batteries help ensure power remains continuous in the event of a short-term disruption. Emergency generators provide backup power for extended outages and for planned maintenance, and can operate the data center with on-site fuel reserves in the event of a natural disaster. A high-speed, robust fiber optic network connects servers within the data center and connects each data center with other major hubs and internet users. Edge compute nodes host workloads closer to the end users to reduce latency and increase overall service resiliency. Microsoft ensures high availability through multiple layers of redundancy, advanced monitoring, and incident response. called SCRI, to record power consumption and allow precise cost allocation to our internal business groups. Is a useful metric, though we look holistically at all components of the data center and optimize for performance per watt consumed in total. Perimeters with increasing security at each level, utilizing a combination of technology and traditional physical measures. We maintain hundreds of controls across multiple levels of operations. At the data centers, technical security elements include two-factor access control, badge readers, extensive camera monitoring, and integrated alarm systems. Traditional measures can include perimeter fencing, security officers, and
Are you looking for a better way to manage video security? Honeywell's Max Pro VMS is a unique video management system that bridges the gap between analog and digital video systems. Using a facility's existing video infrastructure,